Hey, it's me again. That check engine light's on, as I said before. You know, I'm at a stop sign right now. You know, I have my foot on the brake. Automatic car. You know, as you can see on drive. I just want to let you know how it sounds. You know, maybe you know what the problem is. I have that catalytic system efficiency below bank 1 threshold, whatever. You know, I know I'm low on gas, but this is just how it sounds. Maybe you've had this before, you know what the problem is. If you could help me out, I'd be grateful. You know, I'm just gonna drive around for a bit, let you know what it sounds like. Alright, I'm at a stoplight, stop sign.